For a long time, I told myself I didn't have time. A full-time job from 9 to 6, a long commute, family responsibilities, where would I squeeze in freelancing? But deep down, I knew that if I didn't make a move now, I'd be stuck forever. So I made a deal with myself, just 1 hour a day for my side hustle. That's it. No excuses. At first, it was hard. Waking up at 5 a.m. was brutal. My eyes were groggy, my brain was slow, but I stuck to it. Instead of scrolling on my phone in bed, I opened Fiverr and replied to clients. Then I worked on small Excel gigs. Some days I'd do 30 minutes before work, 30 minutes after. And slowly things started clicking. One $25 gig turned into $75, then $100. The trick wasn't having more time. It was about having focused time. So I planned my weekend blocks, job hours, gym, meals, and freelance time. During my focused time, I stopped doing fake work, no overthinking, no endless tweaks. I just delivered, got feedback. Moved on. I also started batching. Sundays were for creating templates, weekdays were for delivering. Most importantly, I respected both roles, employee by day, entrepreneur by night. That mindset shift helped me stay professional in both. Today, I still have my job, but my side hustle earns more some months. And look, I know you have a million reasons why this won't work for you. You have a family, commitments, a busy schedule. But let me tell you something. When I started, I had all of that too. But I knew that if I didn't make a move, I'd be stuck in my 9 to 5 forever. So I made a promise to myself, 1 hour a day. It was all I had. And here's the thing, even if you only have 1 hour, if you use it consistently every single day, trust me, you will grow. It might take longer, but you will get there. Your growth might not be linear. Some weeks you'll feel like you're making progress. Others you'll feel stuck, but you have to keep showing up for yourself. Trust the process. It's not about quitting your job and freelancing full-time. It's about taking small steps towards your goals. It's about being intentional with your time. It's about being a one-person army. Where you're the general, you're in charge. You have to protect your time, block out distractions. Be ruthless. If you really want to make a change, you have to fight for it. Don't wait for permission. Don't wait for the perfect timing. Make it happen. Take that first step. Even if it's just 1 hour a day.